Hello dear viewers! Today we'll make the most delicious cheesecakes with two types of cheese. They turn out tender and spicy. Pour 400 grams of 15% fat sour cream into a bowl, making sure it's at room temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the sour cream, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't use vinegar to slake the heat. Mix everything well. A word about baking soda. Always buy fresh so it doesn't spoil and ensures a good reaction in the dough. Sift the flour in batches, first kneading with a whisk or fork, then with your hands. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. For the filling, use 2 types of cheese. 200 grams of mozzarella and 200 grams of cheese with paprika, chili, garlic and Italian herbs, grated on a coarse grater. You can also use Adiga cheese, it's just as delicious. This is an interesting combination of cheeses. Add an egg. It binds the cheese mass together, making the filling more uniform. Mix the cheeses and egg thoroughly. The cheese is made from natural spices and gives off such a rich aroma when grated. Divide the filling into 4 portions for the future flatbreads. The dough has rested, risen well and become soft. Place it on a floured surface and divide the dough into 4 portions, rolling each portion into a bowl. Roll it out with a rolling pin into a flatbread, approximately 4 to 5 millimeters thick, the size of the pan. Now place some of the cheese in the center and form a bag, pressing it down and flattening it again with a rolling pin. You can prick the dough with a fork, but we like the flatbreads to be fluffy in the pan. It's fascinating to watch them. Place the flatbread in a dry frying pan, cover with a lid and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip the flatbread over, cover again with the lid and fry until done. It will be very fluffy and soft. Place the finished flatbread on a plate and fry the rest. Melt 50 milliliters of butter and brush it on top. Brush the rest of the flatbreads in the same way. Look how quickly the dough settles. They are so golden brown and soft, you'll want to break them apart with your hands. Of course, they're very hot, so I'll break them apart slowly. The cheese inside has turned a delicate reddish color, just like melted amber. The smell is amazing. Enjoy! Subscribe to the channel and like it. Watch my other videos on the channel. There's always something delicious waiting for you here. Bye-bye!